Hi everyone, today's recipe is grilled black cod with fermented bean curd. Oh yeah!
Helen's recipes.
Ingredients you will need 3 steaks of black cod, 2 cubes of fermented bean curd and the brine that comes with it, some garlic, ginger, stock powder, soy sauce, sugar, chili sauce, some pepper and kumquats, some scallion and fresh herbs of your choice. Peel 1 head of garlic and a thumb-sized piece of ginger and crush well in a mortar and pestle. Then add 2 tablespoons of the fermented bean curd brine and mix well. Then squeeze out the juice with help of a piece of a cheesecloth. Discard the fibers. Next, crush 2 cubes of fermented bean curd in a bowl. Add a tablespoon of sugar, the juice of the garlic and ginger, some chili sauce, a teaspoon of soy sauce, some pepper and stock powder and stir well. Pat the fish dry and gently mix with the marinade. Add a tablespoon of annatto oil for a more beautiful color. Make sure the fish is coated evenly with the sauce. Cover and let sit for about 1 to 2 hours in the fridge. Next, we will cut the vegetables. Cut the pineapple, green starfruit and cucumber into long slices. You can grill on charcoal or in an air fryer lined with a piece of banana leaf. Grill for 10 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. Then brush the remaining marinade and turn the heat to 200 degrees Celsius and grill for another 5 minutes. So the surface is nicely golden brown, dry and shiny. You can serve this with some fresh greens and vegetables, rolled up in a piece of rice paper, dipped in light dipping fish sauce, or with steamed rice. It's so flavorful, super aromatic and tasty. I hope you enjoyed the recipe. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel for more recipes like this. I will see you there next time. Bye!